Welcome to Aachen, Germany. Aachen Meet, ito ay malapit sa Paris kasi nag-overnight kami sa Paris and drive to border between Germany at saka France. So yung unang city na pwede kami matulog before going to Hamburg dito sa Aachen Meet. Hindi ko alam kung pronunciation ko ay okay, pero binabasa ko yan, Aachen-Met sa Germany. Dito sa Aachen, Germany, from the coronation of Otto I in 936 until the 16th century, more than 30 German emperors and kings were crowned at Aachen. Aachen was fortified in the late 12th century and granted municipal rights in 1166 and 1215, and it became a free imperial city about 1250. Aachen began to decline in the 16th century. Aachen is located at the northern foothills of the High Finns and the Eifel Mountains. It sits on the Rhone River, a tributary of the Ruhr, and together with Mönchengladbach. It is the only larger German city in the drainage basin of the Meuse. It is the westernmost larger city in Germany, lying approximately 61 kilometers west of Cologne and Bonn, directly bordering Belgium in the southwest and the Netherlands in the northwest. The city lies in the Meuse-Rhine Euro region and is the seat of the district of Aachen. Dito sa Aachen, nagbisita kami dito sa old ancient na church na to, at dito matatagpuan yung bahag or lampin ni Jesus Christ at saka yung damit ni Virgin Mary. Dito sa treasure place nila inilagay. So abangan nyo guys, bibisitahin natin kung anong meron dito sa loob ng treasury. Early history: flint quarries on the Losberg, Schneeberg, and Könighügel first used during Neolithic times, 3000 to 2500 BC. Attest to the long occupation of the site of Aachen, as do recent finds under the modern city, Elisengarten, pointing to a former settlement from the same period. Ayan guys, ang hirap talaga bigkasin ng mga words na yan eh. Elisengarten, parang German na yata yun eh. The 25-hectare Roman Ispa resort from town of Aquisgrani was, according to legend, founded by the Grinus under Hadrian around 124 AD. Grinus refers to the Celtic god, and it seems it was the Roman 6th legion at the start of the 1st century AD that first channeled the hot spring into Ispa at Bucel, adding at the end of the same century the monster term Ispa, parang thermal Ispa, to water pipelines and a probable sanctuary dedicated to Granus, a kind of forum surrounded by colonnades connected the two spa complexes. Meron pala dito mga spa houses, pero today remains na lang had been found of 3 bath houses, including 2 fountains, and the Elisenbrunnen and the Bortshed bath house. Ayan guys, hindi ko talaga ma-pronounce yung Elisenbrunnen. Ayan, German yata. Sounds German. Grabe no, noong pang panahon ng after death at saka yung BC, before Christ. Imagine, lumang-luma na talaga yung city na to. So alam nyo guys, 2 times namin binisita yung treasure dito kasi napaka-interesting talaga kung ano ang nandun sa loob ng treasure nila. Pero pwede naman pumasok, may bayad lang. 2 times namin binisita talaga, sa hapon at pagdating namin at saka sa umaga bago kami umalis, binisita namin yung treasure nila doon sa loob ng cathedral. Cathedral na yan. Kaya yung mga treasure, nandoon yung mga relics, nandoon yung bahag, lampin ni Jesus Christ na sa loob ng relic na yan. Kaya binisita din namin. And then after dito, magbisita namin, nag-drive na kami papunta na ng Hamburg, another 7 to 8 hours drive. Kasama yung stopover ng lunch, stopover ng mag-CR at saka stopover mag-relax bago dumating sa Hamburg kasi winter time ngayon. So ready tayo, nagbaon tayo ng pampalamig, pambalot para hindi tayo magkasakit sa sobrang lamig. So habang magdadrive ito, nag-stay tayo ng overnight at isang araw dito sa Aachen, Germany. Dito sa Aachen, Germany ay famous sila sa the crowning glory of North Rhine-Westphalia. Aachen is most famous of its cathedral, founded by the first Holy Roman Emperor, Charlemagne in the 9th century. Imagine. At tinatawag ito na Aachen ng Aix-la-Chapelle. Yan yung tawag dito nila dito sa Aachen. Yan, Aix-la-Chapelle. As it is known in French-speaking league, is a city located in the state of North Rhine-Westphalia. The etymology of each French name Aix-la-Chapelle stems for X from aqua, water in Latin, and the chapel built under order of Charlemagne from 794 to 798. So that is the old name of Aachen, Aix-la-Chapelle. The Free Imperial City of Aachen, also known in English by its French name of Aix-la-Chapelle, and today known simply as Aachen, was a free imperial city and spa of the Holy Roman Empire, west of Cologne and southeast of the Low Countries in the Lower Rhenish-Westphalia Circle. Ayan, makikita ninyo dito sa loob ng cathedral na to, ang mga treasure na aming binisita dito sa akin. Short visit lang naman kasi parang overnight. Dumating kami ng mga 4 o'clock, 5. So, check-in lang tapos labas na, punta na sa city center kasi kulang yung oras habang may araw pa. Kaya yan lang yung oras namin para bumisita dito sa Aachen, Germany. Kasi next day, drive na naman ulit kami, papunta na ng Hamburg. So marami kaming dadaanan highway. Yan. Ang Aachen, a beautiful city, Aachen boasts one of the world's most majestic and spectacular cathedrals, offers a picturesque and easily walkable charming city center, acclaimed museums and sites, plus unique gingerbread-like cookies tempting your taste buds. So ayan, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa aking video na to at saka short history ng Aachen, Germany. Thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao!